Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Today we're gonna fix Roberto's ECM, recap it. Last time we just did the assessments, measurements, and I didn't have all the caps available. Now I got them. Let's open the box and get the stuff out. There you go, priority 2. Yeah. Let's see, because someone in the comments asked me, like, how did you spend $30 or $40 on capacitors? And good point, I didn't. For some reason it doesn't say how much this was, but it was closer to like $22, something like that. It's in the comments. Yeah, I thought the price would actually be here on this. Doesn't matter. I ordered 5 of each. I'm not gonna need 5 of each, but alright. So let's get that. I'll stock. We got 47. 47B. That's 470. Really? That's wrong. No, it's 47. That's 47. That's 470. Can you believe it? $470 at 10, and I need 47 at 10. That sucks. Crap. Is this possible? Or am I reading the cap wrong? Well, this one's supposed to be 10 at 50. And it's 100. Okay, I guess that last number is the multiplier. Let's see, this one, 220. This one's supposed to be 220, but if this one's 220, does it mean it's 22? Crap. Okay. So how am I supposed to now know which one's 47 and which one's 470? Doesn't make sense. So this one is supposed to be 10 at 50. That's H. Sign 2 of these. Right, so 100. I'll try to look at this and look at the box. 10 micron. Right? And this one 47 micron. So I know. That is. And let's do that is a weird number. So if it was 471, that would be 470, right? If this one was 101, it would be 100. So it makes sense, but how am I supposed to know which ones to read this way and which ones to read the regular way? Know what I mean? I'm gonna have to learn that, I guess, because this one is reading normally 10, whatever, the 220, right? But 10 volts, was it? Yeah, 10 volts. Yeah, so 10U21, 220 micro. 220 micro at 10 volts. Okay, enough of learning. So we've got the 10s on these two, 220 and A. These two, 47. Where are these guys? 47. This is B35. So, yeah, 47 micro. It's hard to get in such a big package like this one. So it makes sense. So we don't do these on 6 sides. We'll figure it out. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 47s. Right, so 4, 6, so here and 5 here. Okay, let's start with 47s. Because the voltage is 0, not 35. Try inverse symbol. It's also on the other ones. On this one. So I'm thinking this is 47. Okay, 47 and 45. So looks like I actually have to make it. Alright, because this is getting boring. Let's do some work. So Most of these are dry, which means I don't have to worry about them exploding. Well, I still have to worry about that, but it's less likely. Alrighty. And we are done. These are the caps. I just need to clean it from all the flux, and we're good. Did you see I knocked off one of the resistors? Thank God I noticed it, because it caught to my wick. And then I figured, what, was there a resistor there? It looks like there was a resistor. I flipped the wick and yeah, there it is. Well, luckily we didn't knock it out completely, because that would have been awful, because the car wouldn't work and Alberto would have to send the car over again. And yes, this time I am using the discharge clip. Someone in the comments noticed that yeah, you're not taking proper precaution for electrostatic discharge, and he was right. I just don't like it because it really restricts my movement. Maybe I should get something that clips over here. Yeah, that's probably what I gotta do. Not over there. Well, what are you gonna do? It's not the end of the world. How much time did it take us? About an hour? 7:30? I think I started around 7, so like half an hour. Not bad. This one actually wasn't too bad because the caps were detaching very nicely. Sometimes as you can see, I even turned on the hot air station, because usually I have to treat it with hot air along with the wicking and iron. This one actually was detaching very well.
Good morning, Papa.
Good morning, Archie. Alright, so that was the ECM repair for Roberto that got scammed by the other repair shop that did absolutely nothing. This way we actually did something, and based on my experience, this will resolve the issues with let's call them weird issues. Basically not necessarily described as misfires or car running rough or not starting. All of these can be caused by used up caps. One thing I forgot to mention, or kind of went around the word explaining, the caps, yes, they are rated for 2,000 hours, but the point is that they come with an expiration date. There's no capacitor that will withstand the same amount of time as the transistor or resistor or MCU, or well, maybe not MCU, because there's memory in it that also goes bad after a while. And there is also the number of writes and reads, maximum number, or maximum guaranteed number, or minimum guaranteed number actually, of reads and writes. So they also come with kind of an expiration date, but capacitors, they definitely come with expiration dates, so they do need to be replaced once in a while. Eventually on every device the cap is gonna fail. So that's what we did here, and hopefully that will resolve all the problems with the car. I'll let you guys know in the comments once I hear back from Roberto, once he tests it around, I think around January. So stay tuned. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you, Roberto, for your business, and I shall see you guys in the next one.